economic equilibrium. Okay, so economic equilibrium, we can say that it is a balance between the producer and the consumer. Okay, that is, the producer finds its maximum profit and the consumer find the satisfaction. Okay, that is, consumer wants the maximum satisfaction and the producer wants maximum profit. So this is the balance between the producer and the consumer. This we can say it as economic equilibrium. Okay, construction of economic theories and economic models. Okay, here what is it, that when some theory is to be tested, okay, whatever it is, so statistical data and techniques are useful. Okay, for example, whether cigarette smoking causes cancer, whether demand increases affect the prices, can be tested by collecting and comparing the relevant data. This is the theory what we want to say. Okay, that is, if the theory is to be tested, whether that theory is how long it will be there or how much it is correct, for that what is this, statistical data and techniques are useful. Okay, this is what in this point, that is a construction of theories and models. Okay, theory, that is, it is an established statistical relationship between different sets of statistical data offering conclusion of economic significance. Okay, that simple theory, simple thing is that ki whatever we want to test it, whatever theories, whether it is working or not, for that what we want is statistical data and techniques. Okay, so these data and techniques are useful to formulate the theories. Okay, this is construction of economic theory or economic models. So now comes economic forecasting. Okay, so economic forecasting, as I said, that is, it is a trend. Forecasting means trend of anything. That is, statistics help to predict the future behavior of phenomena such as market situation for the future is predicted on the basis of available statistics of past. Okay, past and present. That is, what is it, we are taking the last 4 years information or data, and on the basis of that we are predicting the future. That is economic forecasting. Okay, next is what, formulation of policies. So formulation of policies means, as it is said here, that finance minister decide to increase or decrease taxation as a source of government revenue through statistical studies. Okay, formulation, that is, how does the finance minister decide to increase the taxation or to decrease the taxation? It is as a source of government revenue. Okay, so how this is possible? Obviously through statistical studies only, isn't it? Through these statistical studies only we can formulate it, we can take out or we can decide it, the increase or decrease of taxation. This is the formulation of policies. That is, we can see our government used to make big policies, isn't it? So these policies they are making on which basis? Statistics only. They used to check, that is, in the last year whatever policies we had taken, okay, whether it was good for the country, whether it was bad for the country, whatever it is, if for the economics, whether it was useful or not. If it is useful, then again we will continue it. Okay, so these are the policies. Okay, so that is why it is said the for formulation of policies as an importance of statistics. So bacha, these were the importance of statistics. Okay, that is, the use of statistical method is we can say widespread, that it has become a very important tool in affairs of the world. Okay, these are the importance of statistics. Now the functions of statistics. This functions of statistic, if you will compare it with importance, you can see all the topics are somewhat same only. See, presentation of fact in a definite form, comparison, formulation of policies, forecasting, useful in testing the law of other science. Okay, that and establishment of correlation between two facts. Okay, so all these you had discussed in the importance also. That is why in the last class also I said that functions and importance both points almost same only. Okay, so I hope it is clear, bachas, everybody. Yes, so in tomorrow's class we will start economics chapter 1. Okay, so thank you so much, god bless you all, bachas. Okay, one more thing, I hope everybody clear now. If you are having, any of you are having any doubt in any topic, you can message me beta, what is that topic. Okay, so what happened, I'll make the video and I'll keep it in the group. okay, because it will be helpful for everyone. And what happened is, if we do like this, if I'll do like this, the on the class time I can take the class, and if in this video, through this video, you can clear your doubts also. Okay, so that during the class time our time will be saved, because 40 minutes time we are getting. Okay, so whatever doubts you are having, you can message me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you bachas, God bless you all.